What's up, everybody? Back with another video. But this time, we're not giving away cars or doing crazy challenges. Today, we're talking about something even crazier, making money by playing video games. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, there are legit ways for teens and kids to turn their love for gaming into some serious cash. We're talking about becoming the next Ninja or PewDiePie, building a gaming empire from your bedroom. So if you're ready to level up your finances and turn your passion into profit, then smash that like button and let's dive right in.
All right, first up, we've got live streaming. Imagine this. You're slaying dragons, racking up headshots, or pulling off insane stunts, and thousands of people are watching you live, cheering you on, and even throwing money at their screens because they're so entertained. That's the power of platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming. These platforms let you broadcast your gameplay to the world, and if you're good, really good, you can build a massive following. We're talking millions of subscribers, brand deals, and sponsorships that'll make your head spin. But hold your horses, it's not as easy as it looks. You're gonna need a sweet setup, a decent camera, a good mic, maybe some cool lighting to set the mood, and you can't just stream whenever you feel like it. You gotta be consistent, stick to a schedule, and most importantly, engage with your viewers. Talk to them, crack some jokes, make them feel like they're part of the action. That's how you build a loyal community that'll keep coming back for more. And trust me, when you see those donation alerts popping up on your screen, all the hard work will be worth it. Think about it. You're literally getting paid to play video games, hang out with your viewers, and do what you love. What's not to love?
So maybe you're not the biggest fan of being in the spotlight, but you've got a knack for analyzing games, understanding their mechanics, and articulating your thoughts in a clear and engaging way. Well, my friend, you might just have a future as a game reviewer. That's right. You can get paid to share your opinions on the latest and greatest games. Websites, blogs, and even YouTube channels are always on the lookout for talented writers who can provide insightful and entertaining game reviews. You could start by writing for smaller websites or blogs to gain experience and build a portfolio. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the go-to reviewer for IGN, GameSpot, or even your own massively popular gaming blog. But it's not just about writing, it's about connecting with your audience. You gotta find your own voice, your own style, and let your personality shine through your writing. Are you funny? Sarcastic? Do you love diving deep into the lore and mechanics of a game? Embrace it. The more authentic you are, the more people will gravitate towards your content. And hey, if you really want to step up your game, you can even create video reviews on YouTube. Combine your writing skills with your gameplay footage, and you've got a recipe for success.
All right, let's talk about a dream job for any gamer getting paid to play video games before they're even released. That's right, I'm talking about game testing. Game developers need fresh eyes and honest feedback to make sure their games are as polished and bug-free as possible before they unleash them upon the world. And that's where you come in. As a game tester, you'll be tasked with playing through games, finding glitches, reporting bugs, and providing feedback on the overall gameplay experience. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're solving game-breaking bugs. Now don't think for a second that this is just sitting around playing games all day. It's a job, and it requires attention to detail, patience, and a genuine passion for gaming. You'll need to be able to articulate your findings clearly and provide constructive criticism to the developers. But hey, you're getting paid to play games. How cool is that? Plus, you'll get to see behind the curtain of the game development process and contribute to the creation of awesome games.
Chapter 4. Building your gaming empire. YouTube. All right, listen up, content creators. If you're all about that YouTube grind, then you've got a golden opportunity to turn your gaming passion into a full-blown empire. We're talking millions of subscribers, brand deals, the whole 9 yards. But how do you stand out from the millions of other gaming channels out there? Well, it's all about finding your niche, your unique angle that sets you apart from the crowd. Maybe you're the king or queen of walkthroughs, guiding players through every twist and turn of their favorite games. Or maybe you're a master strategist, sharing your tips and tricks to help players dominate their opponents. Or maybe you're just flat out hilarious, creating side-splitting gaming montages that have people in stitches. Whatever your style, the key is to be consistent, upload high-quality content regularly, and engage with your viewers. respond to comments, run contests, and build a community around your channel. And once you've built a decent following, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. Imagine that. Selling your own t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs with your channel logo on them.
All right, gamers, it's time to talk about the big leagues, the world of professional gaming, where legends are made and fortunes are won. Esports has exploded in popularity in recent years, with millions of fans tuning in to watch the best of the best battle it out for glory and massive prize pools. We're talking about games like Fortnite, League of Legends, Dota 2, Call of Duty, and countless others. These are the rock stars of the gaming world, and they're raking in serious cash. But don't think for a second that it's easy. Becoming a pro gamer requires insane skill, dedication, and countless hours of practice. These players eat, sleep, and breathe their game of choice, constantly honing their skills and strategizing with their teams. They're like athletes, training their minds and reflexes to react in milliseconds. But the rewards can be life-changing. We're talking about six-figure salaries, lucrative sponsorships, and the opportunity to travel the world competing in front of thousands of screaming fans.
Okay, aspiring game developers, this one's for you. Have you ever been playing a game and thought, I could make a game better than this, or I have an awesome idea for a game? Well, guess what? You don't have to be a coding wizard or a tech genius to bring your game ideas to life. There are tons of resources and platforms available that make game development more accessible than ever before. We're talking about user-friendly game engines, online tutorials, and even communities of fellow developers who are willing to help you out. You could start by learning the basics of game design, experimenting with different game engines, and creating simple games to get the hang of it. And once you're confident in your skills, you can start working on your dream game. Who knows? Maybe your game will be the next Minecraft or Fortnite, captivating millions of players worldwide. And when it comes to selling your game, you've got options. You could sell it directly through your website, partner with a publisher, or even launch a Kickstarter campaign to fund your project.
All right, let's talk about the future of gaming. And no, I'm not talking about virtual reality or holograms, though that would be pretty cool. I'm talking about play-to-earn games, where you can earn real money, or rather cryptocurrency and NFTs, just by playing games. That's right, you heard me correctly. These games are built on blockchain technology and allow players to earn digital assets that have real-world value. It's like getting paid to play your favorite games, but instead of cash, you're earning crypto, which you can then trade, hold, or even cash out for real money. Now, this is still a relatively new concept, but it's gaining traction fast. There are already a bunch of play-to-earn games out there, from trading card games to RPGs to virtual worlds. And as the technology evolves and more games enter the market, this could be a game changer for the gaming industry. Imagine a world where you can earn a living just by playing video games. Sounds pretty awesome, right? There you have it. 7 epic ways for teens and kids to make money by playing video games. From live streaming your skills to writing epic game reviews, testing out the latest games, or even becoming a pro gamer, the possibilities are endless. Remember, it's not just about playing games. It's about finding your passion, honing your skills, and putting in the work. Just like anything else in life, success in gaming takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. So what are you waiting for? Pick a path, level up your game, and get ready to turn your passion into profit. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be interviewing you about your incredible gaming success story. Peace out.